Hey, and welcome back to Mad Investor. I hope that you're enjoying my previous content. As you realize, I do a lot of how-to tutorials, a lot of updates regarding Binance, listing, and new project innovations. And today I'm actually doing an overview of a project which I found recently, and I think it has a great potential, and it's actually bringing a lot of real value. And the project which I will talk about today, it's called the Meta Hero and their Hero token. So the Meta Hero is the next gen deflationary real utility token. And why is that? Because as comparing to all the other companies with the tokens, they have their own product. And what is that product? You can be your own hero within the 3D technology. So you can actually create your own 3D avatar inside their technology. So they actually have some kind of a chamber, because that's how it looks on the video, which you'll see right now. Within this chamber, you can create a 3D model of yourself, which then can be uploaded to digital worlds. So within that, as you probably see, it's changing the world of possibilities, because actually it's creating a digital version of yourself, which can be uploaded to that digital world. With that, people will be also be able to scan and create the 3D NFTs, and on top of it, use Hero token to transact. So, this is something huge, I think, and totally different from what I've seen over last, few months within the tokens and their building up, because they actually have a product which they're basing on. And when you look at that video, you actually see how this technology works, how is it built, that they're actually looking into total innovation. And when it comes to the actual product, you can see that this is called a meta scanner. They actually put all the diameter, so I see that it's real. And what it does a full synchronization, simultaneous triggering of cameras. So in a way, 64 cameras are actually taking a 3D image of you. That's pretty cool, because imagine that instead of creating an avatar within the game, you'll just put your own avatar which you have it scanned previously. And what I see, they're trying to make this meta scanners available worldwide and in more places, so you actually be able to go to a place, scan yourself, and have a digital version of yourself always with you to upload to any game or whatever kind of you're using. This might change things, because soon we might be like in a Star Wars movie when we're having a hologram of ourselves just talking to other people while we're not actually there. And this is a big one when you look at the world of possibilities. By the way, this is just my idea of the Star Wars, that's not them, but you see the world of possibilities when you look at that technology. And I think this is pretty awesome. You can actually pre-order Meta Hero 3D Chamber. You can fill out the form and pre-order it here. But what's really cool is that using their tokenomics, they actually obviously going into deflation, smart staking, burn, auto liquidity, buyback and burn utility. So all the other things which most of the tokens are doing right now, with the main difference that they actually have a real product. And when it comes to the team and who's behind it, this team actually comes from Poland, because the founder and the CEO is Robert Greene, who is the youngest self-made entrepreneur to make the Forbes 100 richest list in Poland. He's the former CEO of the CodeWise, and the second fast-growing company in Europe. And after he sold CodeWise, he shifted 100% his attention to focus on crypto, as I saw already on his YouTube channel. But then you can also see the core team with other people. There's actually a big team building that product and building that business, which I think it's great, because obviously when you're building such an advanced technology, you need to have a really good team behind them. And when you look at the coin market cap and their current price, so when I would just go to search, I will actually put Meta Hero, and we see that their current price is 0.013, which actually just dropped 3% while I'm recording this video. But when you look at the last month of that token, it actually went quite up. So, this is something which I think is always one of the gems which might grow, looking that they have a real technology. Something which, most of the tokens, they don't have that real usage, which, can be applied to a real world. They do. And when you look at their token, and actually they also have an app. So they will have an app which use the Hero app to pay for scans at their 3D chamber locations. So there'll be multiple locations which you can use to scan yourself into that digital world. And when you look at the roadmap, obviously they're currently only listed on PancakeSwap. I'll record a second video how to buy MetaHero, so stay tuned, don't worry, you'll have it covered. But obviously at this moment they have a public launch on PancakeSwap. They're already CertiK audit and certified. So I think that's a great positive, I would say, success, because lots of the tokens are not even CertiK audited. And they have their first listing on CEX and on Bitmart. So there's a lot of things already happening. They're already working on their Android app, on their iOS app, and they have a lot within their roadmap. And I think this is pretty great for so project like that, which is growing within the online world, because we live in a world when we have games, we have crypto, we have now NFTs, but this is just changing the game. And that's why I will be a part of it. I definitely want to see what will happen within that token within the next few months, how it will grow, as I see a huge potential here. By the way, if you like this video, just leave a like and subscribe so you'll see more content like this, as I like to overview different projects and give you a perspective and actually show you some gems and unique projects which maybe you've never heard about. And I think this is quite important to always look at the Math Investor. So remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell, because the bell will always send you notifications when the new video has been uploaded to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and well, see you in the next video. Take care.